Jamaica just finished fourth in the world, but somehow ended up 18th on the medal table. Yeah, that doesn't sound right. No gold medals. Only 4 total medals. And yet Jamaica was one of the best teams at the entire championship. So what really happened? Over 3 days in Poland, the world's best athletes battled for global indoor supremacy. And while countries like the United States dominated headlines, Jamaica quietly delivered one of the most underrated performances of the entire competition. Let's start with the medals. Jamaica walked away with 4. 2 silvers. Kishane Thompson in the 60 meters, Jordan Scott in the triple jump, and 2 bronzes. Raymond Richards in the high jump and the men's 4x400 relay team, closing strong on the final day. Good but not dominant, right? Well, here's where things get interesting. Despite only 4 medals, Jamaica finished 4th in the entire competition on points. That means across all events, finals, placements, consistency, Jamaica was better than almost every country in the world, except 3. Here's the key. Track and field isn't just about medals. It's about depth. Jamaica had multiple top 5 finishes. Athletes consistently reaching finals. Points being scored across events. That's how they racked up 52 points. Just 1 point behind 3rd place. Meanwhile, some countries won gold medals, but had far fewer athletes performing overall. On the final day, Jamaica delivered one last push. The men's 4x400 relay team grabbed bronze in 3 minutes 5 seconds and 99 milliseconds, behind a dominant United States squad that set a championship record. Elsewhere, Megan Tapper-Simmons ran a personal best. Field event athletes kept Jamaica competitive. It wasn't flashy, but it was consistent. When the dust settled, USA dominated with 164 points. Netherlands and Poland edged ahead. Jamaica, right there, 4th in the world, ahead of traditional powerhouses like Great Britain. This wasn't a flashy championship for Jamaica. No gold medals, no global headlines. But make no mistake, this was a performance. Because when you look beyond medals, Jamaica proved they have one of the deepest, most competitive teams in world athletics right now. So the real question is, if this is Jamaica without gold medals, what happens when they peak for the outdoor season? If you enjoyed this breakdown, like this video and subscribe to the channel.